Okay, this is still the August 16th walk, and we just finished the fort for the skating. So now this is still the same path, but just a different section. But this is also a very interesting section, as you can see that all the trees are very interesting. And we just found a wallet. It's empty, but it's a wallet. So it can be really, really spooky at night here. And this building used to be for something. You can Google it, but it's here, and it's boarded up. But you know, you get new graffitis on it every once in a while. All that's new since I haven't been here for a while. Yeah, I like to be out here. This is my typical walk, and each walk, it's like I'm the only one. I'm the world. It's like post-apocalypse. Everything is. I mean, the scenery and everything is just beautiful. San Francisco, you just can't get enough of it. Been here forever, still love it. Well, what happened there? There used to be a stairway up, but I don't know what happened. I don't care. It's scary. Yeah. Oh, look. There's a little path. Oh, wonder what it's for. Anyway, right in front of us, that's where the trapeze, or I don't know how you say it. People that walk on the rope. Trapeze. Anyway, this is where they take lessons and learn how to do it. If you come during the day, you'll be able to see people learning to walk on the rope. Sometimes from really up high. But, you know, this is where they learn. I'll show you. Keep in mind that this is August 16th. Elsewhere it's super hot. So that's what it looks like. And you can see that horizontal branch across. That's where they stand and then they walk across. If you come before noon, you'll see them. But I'm hardly ever outside before noon, so. But I've seen it before, so I don't care. Oh, cool. What is that purple thing? Is that a flower? Oh, it is a flower. What do you know? Huh. Where did you come from? Huh. Well, you are at the very strange place. Look at it. I found this, and right here, and it's not supposed to be here, and I don't see any other purple flowers right here. But anyway, so that's that. It's a purple flower. We'll put it right here. Commemorate your existence. Okay. So this is just where I walk, and I would say every day, and I wish I'm able to do this every day, but was it stickers or something, but So that's part 2 of my daily walk. We'll stop that for now.